Oh my giddy arm. Oh, crikey. Oh. Bugger it, let's do it. Right, okay. Oh dear. Oh my giddy arm. Who on earth needs that many drill bits? They're nearly all the same flippin' size. Gold. 12 mils, 10 mils, 8mm. And what about all these SDS bits? Why do I need so many? Well, I don't, to be fair. So do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get a little bit more ruthless. A little bit ruthless. I'm going to find it difficult, I will. But considering I'm not using them, it's just taking up space. And I'm in this workshop, you see. That requires a little bit more room for other stuff, because I get dribbling over myself, I do, and I get fed up with it. And I'm generally relatively organised, but it's really hard to be organised when you've got too much stuff that you're not even using. It's pointless. Absolutely pointless. So what we're going to do, we'll put you down here, and we're going to go for these drill bits. Oh, crikey. Don't worry, we're not going to do all of them, because it's going to take flipping forever. Now, as you can see, as you can't see, me. These are the drill bits I've been using quite a bit recently. They're my new cobalt ones, and they're really lovely drill bits to use. So I generally go for these anyway. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to get rid of all of them. You see, it's a bit of a fetish, you see. Anyway, now, the thing is, you see, why am I keeping all the ones that are a bit mediocre? You know, mediocrity, like a pocket hole drink, you know. So what we're going to do is I'm going to separate them out, then I've got these boxes over here, we're going to chuck them in some boxes, get them out of the way, and then I'll just stick them in a toolbox somewhere, and use them as a way, somewhere I can delve into to replace drill bits either get broken or they're end of life. And some of these probably are already end of life, to be fair. But let's start with these. This looks like an obvious one, which is the 12 mils. Might be a mix of 10s in there as well. Oh, these ones there. Well, put them out of the way, up there. Right. 1 hour later. Crikey, this is just ridiculous. You know, it's absolutely ridiculous. Now, I do have some verniers here, so I'm just going to check the size of them, which means that is, no, that's a 12 mil. I don't need that many. Do I have a 12 mil in there? No, that's a 10. So I do need a 12 mil, obviously. So I want to make sure it's a decent 12mm drill bit. In fact, I've got a cobalt one around there somewhere. Or it could be a dormer. That's a 12 mil. But it's just madness. You see, it's another dormer. I believe that's a dormer. Dormer drill bits are very good. Yeah, that's a dormer. So that's the same as that one, actually. God's sake. Now, all these little ones like that, when I see these like gold-plated ones, 9 times out of 10, these are the sort of thing you get free in, you know, in a box of drill bits, you know, in a part of a drill kit or something like that. You know, so-called titanium plate, as if that makes any difference whatsoever. It's bollocks. So that can be relegated, all right? So I want to have a couple of decent 12mm drill bits. This is a 1/2 inch. That is a dormer again, so I will keep that one because it is a dormer. Yeah, it's a 1/2 inch, 12.7mm.
2 hours later, and a toilet break.
Oh dear. See, the thing is, you see, if you're wondering why I've got so many, that's a long shaft one, so I want that. Got a long shaft, you know. Well, I got so many drill bits. A lot of it is down to, obviously, over the years collecting whatever. Now, I always sharpen my drill bits, so you know, they do last me a very long time. But when you've got people working for you, you've got to kit them out with stuff. And when I shut the business down, I basically brought it all home with me. Didn't really need to. It was a little bit silly, really. You know, I should have sold them on. That's another 4 mil. Actually, that's a bit bigger than 4. That's 4 mil. Didn't make those. That might actually be Imperial. 10 minutes. Blimey. That is a good quality drill. I'll keep that one. It's going to take me 2 hours at least to go for this lot.
Boredom-induced catatonic state. 3 hours later.
Found it. Well, I think we're done there. Okay. Oh my giddy aunt, that's lighter. Oh, and it glides, it do. Yes, it glides. And as you can see, it's a bit of an improvement to what it was a few moments ago. Well, I've still got an excessive amount of drill bits, I must say. But you know how it goes. You know, maybe next time I might better let go of those. Who knows? You know. Anyway, let me know what kind of mess that you're in. Have you got an excessive amount of drill bits? Do you like doing a bit of drilling? Maybe. As you can see, I've got a whole load here. They're just going to be stored in the barn next door. Yeah, it's going to be shifted from A to B. Instead of getting rid of it. Oh, you like me? Leave it in the comments down below, but please leave the old like button and maybe subscribe to the channel because then you get a warm fuzzy feeling in your pocket every time I upload another video. Oh, crikey. What draws next? Oh.